Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Oppo A92. So what we need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box here in the little white box in the box. So if you remove it, you will find it here in the case, and here it is. So just remove it like this, and yeah, otherwise you could use of course also the edge of the good old paper clip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray, there's a little hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Yeah, and what's pretty cool on that SIM tray is that you are able to enter 2 SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card. So many opportunities. So let's start with the first SIM card. Put it here on the first position, missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. And in case if you want to add a second SIM card, just use the second slot here. To put it like this, also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and also optional is to enter a micro SD card if you want to extend the internal storage. So put it like this, has to look like this then. And yeah, of course, you can use also the micro SD card with just one SIM card and so on. And yeah, the contacts are below. And if you're ready with your construction, just put it back into the phone like this. Be careful that nothing jumps out, shake a bit, and it's inserted. Yeah. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.